While you can't technically use an actual video as wallpaper on your iPhone, you can use an animated live photo, which will look very similar. You can also convert videos into live photos using the third-party app intoLive. To set a live photo as your iPhone wallpaper, open your settings and scroll down to Wallpaper. Tap Choose a new wallpaper. Select Live Photos and choose the live photo you'd like as your background. Tap Set, then choose either Set Lock Screen, Set Home Screen, or Set Both. To view your live wallpaper, touch and hold a finger to your screen for about a second and it will begin to animate. Download the intoLive app from the App Store. The basic version is free. Open the app and allow access to your photo library. Select the Video tab in the file you want to use. Select the effects you'd like to add to your video and adjust the clip length using the sliders. Your live photo can be as long as 5 seconds. Tap Make and wait as a live photo is created. You'll have to bypass ads to finish. Once done, go to your settings and set the new live photo you just created.